Social media platform X has acknowledged shortcomings in its content moderation systems and assured the Indian government that it will fully comply with domestic laws and operate strictly within regulatory frameworks, government sources said. The assurance follows concerns over the circulation of obscene and sexually explicit content on the platform, including material allegedly generated or amplified using its AI tool Grok. According to officials, around 3,500 pieces of objectionable content have been blocked so far, while more than 600 accounts have been removed. X has also conveyed that it will not permit the sharing of obscene imagery on its platform going forward. Last week, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology issued a notice to X Corp's Chief Compliance Officer for India seeking a detailed action taken report within 72 hours. The ministry asked the platform to ensure immediate compliance and prevent the hosting, generation, or dissemination of obscene, indecent, and sexually explicit content, particularly through AI-based services such as Grok and other XAI tools. Rajya Sabha MP Priyanka Chaturvedi criticized X for restricting the generation of problematic and sexualized images through Grok only to paid users rather than stopping the feature entirely. She alleged that the move enables unauthorized misuse of images of women and children, calling it a shameful use of AI that monetizes harmful behavior. Earlier this month, Chaturvedi wrote to Union IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw, warning about the misuse of AI tools on social media to create and circulate objectionable images of women using fake accounts. She urged the center to take urgent steps and enforce safeguards in AI-driven technologies to protect women's privacy and safety online.